Question number 1.
The train at platform 4 at 7 p.m. every night. A. Arrive. B. Arrives. C. Arrives.
Question number 2.
Neither the coach nor the players available today. A. Are. B. Is. C. Were.
Question number 3.
A pair of scissors missing from the drawer. A. Is. B. Are. C. Were.
Question number 4.
By the time she reached the airport, she realized her passport. A. Had lost. B. Lost. C. Has lost.
Question number 5.
If I would not accept that offer. A. Am. B. Was. C. Were.
Question number 6.
By this time tomorrow, the final edit. A will finish. B will have finished. Ka have finish.
Question number 7.
The data set to be inaccurate. A. Seem. B. Seems. C. Seemed.
Question number 8.
She insisted on the truth. A. To tell. B. Telling. K. Telling. Tell.
Question number 9.
Not only late, but he also forgot the tickets. A. He arrived. B. Did he arrive? K. He arrive.
Question number 10.
Each of the candidates a portfolio. A. Submit. B. Submits. C. Submitted.
Question number 11.
I wish it warmer today. A. Were. B. Was. C. Is.
Question number 12.
He suggested that she earlier tomorrow. A. Arrive. A. Arrives. C. Arrives.
Question number 13.
There are a lot of sugar in this recipe. A. Are. B. Is. C. B.
Question number 14.
Few of the warnings taken seriously. A. Was. B. Were. C. Is.
Question number 15.
She has been for a new apartment since May. A. Looked. B. Looking. K. To look.
Question number 16.
The committee divided on the issue. A is, B are, C were.
Question number 17.
He let me his laptop. A to borrow, B borrowing, C borrow.
Question number 18.
The book along with the notes on the desk. A are, B is, C were.
Question number 19.
By 8 p.m. they for 2 hours. A had waited. B will have been waiting. C have been waiting.
Question number 20.
Hardly we reached the station when it started to rain. A had, B have, C did.
Question number 21.
If it tomorrow, the event will be postponed. A rains, B rained, T is raining.
Question number 22.
She would rather you the meeting on time. A arrive, B arrive, T arrive.
Question number 23.
The number of participants increasing every year. A are, B is, C has.
Question number 24.
The police investigating the case. A is, B are, C was.
Question number 25.
None of the money been spent. A have, B has, C had.
Question number 26.
Between you and this plan won't work. A, I, B me, C myself.
Question number 27.
She is the only one solved the puzzle. A, who, B, whom, C, which.
Question number 28.
Neither of the solutions perfect, but this one is better. A, are, B, is, C, were.
Question number 29.
I look forward to from you. A, hear, B, hearing, C, to hear.
Question number 30.
By the time we arrived, the store A closed, B has closed, C had closed.
Question number 31.
He speaks English than his brother. A. More fluent. B. More fluently. Ka. Most fluent.
Question number 32.
10 miles a long distance to run. A is bore A were T.
Question number 33.
There are only a few tickets left. A is. B are. C was.
Question number 34.
After the move, much of the furniture damaged. A was. B were. C is.
Question number 35.
Let's a break after this section. A take. B took. C taken.
Question number 36.
She made me the form again. A to fill. By filling. K. Fill.
Question number 37.
Do you mind the window? A to open. B opening. Key. Open.
Question number 38.
The reason I'm calling your application A, R, B is, C was.
Question number 39.
Yesterday, each of the answers carefully checked. A were, B was, C is.
Question number 40.
Scarcely the show begun when the lights went out. A has, B had, K have.
Question number 41.
She aims her glasses since morning. A is wearing, B has been wearing, C was wearing.
Question number 42.
I'd rather at home tonight. A to stay, B stay, sing, staying.
Question number 43.
The CEO, as well as the managers attending the summit. A is, R, C, B, R, C, B, R.
Question number 44.
To did you give the keys? A, who, B, whom, C, which.
Question number 45.
The fewer mistakes you make, the
Question number 46.
He apologized the delay, A of, B for, C about.
Question number 47.
Not until midnight to sleep. A. He went. B. Did he go? C. Has he gone?
Question number 48.
This is the house I grew up. A. Where? B. That. C. Which?
Question number 49.
She denied the rumor. A. To spread. B. Spreading. Key. Spread.
Question number 50.
Few, if any, of the reports accurate. A is B. R. C was.